Alright, so I got another unboxing video. I traded my EYYC Genesis for YYE edition Dietz and Fool's Gold Avalanche. I got this from fellavader off of the yoyoexpert forums, and I'm gonna open it up if I can. Alright. Come on. I should get a knife, but this will do. I guess I'm just kind of impatient. I've been waiting for this. Alright. It's the Dietz. Threw in some stickers. Avalanche. Oh. Bunch of flowable silicone. Flow grooves, I believe. And that's it. Box is empty. On to the yo-yos. Let's see. So we can start over here. CLYW, Fool's Gold Avalanche. Threw in some snow tires. Ooh. This is looking nice. It's got a lot more blue than my my other Fool's Gold. Some string in there as well. Here, I'll show you my other one. That's looking beautiful. And the Dietz. Oh man. Look at that. That is just nice. Wow. Let's see if I can show you it a bit better. Oh shoot. There it is. It's a lot smaller than I expected actually here compared to the Avalanche. You can see the size comparison. And got a code 1. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Shoutouts to fellavader off of yoyoexpert. Be sure to check them out.